Hi, this is my video to explain to you how to use Flipgrid, because some of you, this would be a really fun way to do this, kind of like your TikTok. So you're going to click on the Flipgrid and it's going to take you to a link. Your link is going to look like this. You're going to log in with Google using your school email. So I'm actually going to log in like a student, but I'm just going to use my email. It'll come up just like this. You're going to click on yourself. Woohoo, I was successful and I logged in. So we're just going to wait. And then you're going to pick your topic. So today is the Monday mashup. Go all the way down and hit the plus sign. And then it comes up and you're going to want to try the camera. It's not going to let me do it because I'm using the camera right now to video this. But you're just going to say yes, hit the camera. And then it's pretty self-explanatory. From there, you click on the emojis. If you want to add an emoji to your face, you can do lots of different things. You can click on and add text after the video is already made. You can do lots of fun stuff, but I think a lot of you are just having a hard time. You have to click on that plus sign. So good luck, and if you have any questions, come see me during Google Meet. We can try helping you there.